fields over there. There's a nice church over there where I got married, down with there. I've just took this hole here, and I don't know if you can see it, there's a cutting there. It's an oldie. It's a Vicky. Victoria halfpenny. On to the next. Second hole. Can't be bad. There's the hole. There's a coin under there. I don't know what it is yet. It looks like it could be. What's that? It's a button, is it? No. Well, it is a weird one, guys. Copper with the locks on the one side. Silverish on the other. I think it's going to be a button because it's got that thing in the centre. Never mind, good signal. Hopefully a good find. I'll clean up later. Ciao for now. And I don't know if it's a coin, looks like it could be a button. There's the hole. Down there you can see it. It was tucked right in a corner over there. That's it. I think it's going to be a button. It is a button. Oh. Yeah, but it's still some good finds coming off this field, and this field has been done by another detectorist. So he obviously didn't get everything. 3 holes, 3 finds, not bad. See you later. I've chopped the coin in half and it's a cracker. I'll take you in and have a look. See how there? I don't know who it is, what it is, but it's definitely an old one. And I bloody chopped it in half. I can't believe it. Oh no, but probably the best find of the day, and I chopped it in half. Never mind, I'll tell you what it is later. Hi guys, another hole, another find. Nice little button with a pattern on it. There it is. I mean, you can see that pattern. I can't quite make out what it is, I'll be honest with you. You might know. Every hole's been a winner so far. Only one bit of trash. See you later. Turning out to be a cracking field, this one. There it is. Looks a bit toasted. I can't believe the best find I've had so far today. I've cut the bloody thing in half. Have a good one. Oh, man's had one for once. Well, not for once. He's had quite a few actually. He's had cartwheel. First time on this field. Other people have been on here apparently, and we're having find after find at the minute. I'm that far from the community. Look at that, all old. So look at some of the other coins had. There's his cartwheel. I know he's had some modern stuff. There's another old penny or something like that. A couple of 20. Still, coins are coming up. That's the main thing.
I had a 5 somewhere.
Yeah. Oh well, we don't need to see that. That's the start of the show for him today. Cartwheel. Nice one, Dad. See you later. Coin. There's the hole. There's the coin. Let's have a look what it is. It is a halfpenny, George V. Happy with that. So on the next, and it will be more. Check your holes. I checked my own. Guess what? Same hole. Flat bunts. Here she is. I literally filled it back in, run a detector over it again, and that was in it as well. I can have another go now as well, just in case. 2 in 1 hole. Looking good. Fine. Here we go. There it is. It's an old one again, which is good. Not much on it though, guys. On the next. Here we go. It's in there. It is. Just dug it. It come from in there. Just popped it out. It's in here. Oh, what we got here? Brush. Have a look, see if we can brush it off a bit. Nothing on our side. And nothing on that side really. Oh well. It's an oldie. Doing well. See you later. Something else, I don't know what it is, I've never had one before. Right, it's made of lead. It's round, it's got writing on it, as you can see. Right, and it wraps over whatever it is. It's got an edge like a coin. But it got bloody damaged, I think. Either it was like that or I've damaged it. There's little bits, I've had little bits out, yeah. But digging it out bloody damaged it. But I'm well happy with that. I don't know what it is. I'll put it on the group later. Still another coin. There's the hole. There's a coin. And again, he was down in the corner. I'm just missing him every time for some reason. Let's have a look at this one. Put that in a minute. See if I can give it a clean. Again, it's, if you can make anything out on that. Still, just shows us how old it is anyway. So another coin. There's the hole, only small, and there's a coin. It's probably modern. Yeah, it's Elizabeth. So it's a 5p. I thought it would be modern because it was quite close to the top. Never mind, still a coin. There's the hole. Looks like a button anyway. You can see it. Copper. Yeah, it's part of a button. Something different for you? I'm trying to get a silver. I'm hoping I'm going to run out. There's the hole. I've just hit that out. There's the impression. And there she is. Another threepence. George VI. Banging signal. On to the next. Yeah. Coin. There's the hole. There's another one. Another oldie. Bit crusty. Never mind. Different. Nice little watch winder. There's the hole. There's a watch winder. And it's still hinging. Look, the hinge isn't broke on it. Lovely jubbly. Bit of history for you. I mean all the coins because I'm having quite a few modern ones as well. Just to show you. There's the hole, quite high up in the top. 20p. I've had a couple of 5s, a 1. So yeah, I do want to see stuff like that. Coin quite deep. There it is. You can see it just on the edge here. Get it, flush a minute. There's not a lot on it, guys. Never mind. I don't know what it is, but it looks special. I hope it is. It was down really deep. We're talking pinpointer to the bottom of the pinpointer. That's about 8 inches. There it is. It's a hammer. Dad! I got a hammy! I got a hammered! I got a hammered coin. Look at that! Unbelievable. I can't bloody believe it. It was a scratchy signal. I knew it was deep. I've learnt with this thing. If it starts going off, look at that. Lovely. Look at him. You can see him. Hammered coin. Woohoo! Long cross. Can't believe it. And there's a king on it, and I'll find out what it is later. Ciao for now. Final round up for the day. Hammered coin. That's the start of the show there. You can see him. And we just got some old coins. George. Threepences. That was another nice coin, but I've broken it. Another threepence, a couple of halfpennies, and these are the modern ones. Then we got the buttons. Some bits and bobs, I don't know what these are, cogs and things. This is a solid piece of metal. I don't quite know what that is. And then we got that seal. Let's go right in around the edge. A watch winder, some more cogs, bullet casing, and these are like, that's a square nail. And that one. And then the usual, this is the only crap I had mine, right? One bottle top, one pull ring, a bit of foil. And that was it. And if you look at what I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, oh no, 16 coins, 5 buttons. So I'm quite happy with that. Lead seal, watch winder. Cracking day out. See you on the next one. Hammered coin. Get in there.